Hello again. This is going to be a quick reminder of integration by parts and how to use it based on what you've learned in high school and in ordinary differential equations. Now, the main formula for integration by parts is u dv, integral u dv, is equal to uv minus integral v du. And the purpose of it is really to make complex integrals much easier, way easier. So let's start immediately by solving an example. So let's take the example of x ex, right? So the integral of x ex dx. So we need to divide it into two pieces. So I'm gonna take x and say let u equal to x. So now that x is out, what is left to be dv? What is left is integral ex dx. Now, one tip is to always pick u equals x or u very carefully. Make sure it is easy to handle so that the rest of the process can go smoothly. So we have dv here, which is equal to ex dx. So now we have u, we have dv, we want v and du. So what is du? Du is equal simply to dx. That is done. Now we got du. So the only thing left here now is v. V is equal to the integral of dv, which is the integral of ex dx. So the outcome of this is ex. Now we have all the items. We plug them into our equation. So x times v. V is equal to ex. U is equal to x. So x ex minus integral v du, which is ex dx. The integral of ex dx is also ex, so the final answer would be x ex minus ex, which is also ex equals x minus 1. And that's simply how do you do integration by parts. Practice it, try it with other examples, and it should go very smoothly.